This the cousins only video. Say your name one more time.
My name is Shakira.
Shakira was out here holding down.
Hey, it's Katz back today with another motherfucking video. And as you can tell by today's video title, I will be unboxing another What's in a box Wednesday.
And this is where we're upgrading from, baby. A change needed to be made, okay?
We don't really have to guess what's in this box because it's already on the box. The delivery man sat here and asked me about my kitten. Anyway, let's get the unboxing. So boom. Because I'm tired of this girl making a mess in this room. I'm tired of having to sweep every day behind her. It's so annoying. Having to sweep every day behind her is so annoying. Every day. Damn near multiple times a day. Sorry, I gotta pop them. Get this bad boy out of here, shall we? Oh. Be careful for the nails. And I believe I got the extra large, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely good. Trash. Okay, offered by C Scooper. Okay, so this is the top, obviously. Little flap. Top. Cool. I don't even think I have enough glitter. Oh, this is the shaking one. Oh, yes. Thank God. Hopefully she don't make too much noise with that. Let's see. How are we gonna take it? Now let's open up the press. I just ripped the instructions. Oh my God. Oh, what are these? We'll find out. Comes with a scooper. Nice. Half of the instructions. Okay. Let's. Comes with a carbon bag. I didn't see no carbon bag in here. Okay, cool. Install the front door into the corresponding slot in the top cover. Seems like it's not gonna get that way. Paste the rubber pad respectively to the bottom. So I have to put these rubber pads at the bottom of the stand. All four corners. Cool. Bam. I know these are like. They're on there. Okay, cool. Place the middle cover. Just the middle cover. This is the middle cover. Okay, cool. It's supposed to be like that. Or it's supposed to be like this. That looks better. And it's actually cool. Put it in there. Oh, that's so cute. It has hearts right here. Small detail. They got me. Where did this go? What is this? Oh, and then place the top cover. I say this the top cover. Obviously, it's this way. I just popped my nail off. garbage switching. That's disgusting. Clean up. She got no more litter. Let's see. Here we are with the box. I'm gonna see if she got some more litter. Just a tad bit. She gonna need some more of that too. Look at her. Yeah, I'm gonna put you some more litter up in here. Definitely gotta get you some more litter. No, she hiding in the box. Come on. Open it. Over here. Now she wanna play. Go. How you like it? You gonna use it in it? She wants to get out, guys. I don't like that it doesn't come with a mat though. For things like this. Now she's going to a tree. Anywho, now I don't have to worry about this problem anymore. Because now we've upgraded from plastic to steel. Covered at that. With the scoop included. I'm gonna work on getting her a mat just to avoid things like this. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. It's okay, and now I don't have to worry about cleaning anymore. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Kate and A, and I'm out only for today. Peace. Y'all, she's using it. She's using it, no assist. Icky approved. Need to put some more litter in there. You know you can go out the other way, right, baby?